Hello from Slovenia again. Sorry for those who don't want to listen to that, but I'm still under impression of our second gold medal on Olympic Games in Tokyo today. Primoz Roglic won our second gold medal. You know, we are so proud, maybe because we are so small. Slovenia has 2 million residents, not residents, residents. So we are small, and when something like that happens, we have, you know, those. So bravo, well done, Primoz Roglic, congrats. And our Zdravljica anthem played again. So if you want to hear, check out today's winner on Olympic Games. So, and he has a jersey that has blues and lime green and white. So, and because of the gold medal, I have some gold, and I picked this 16-inch round canvas for kind of a medal shape, and I will pour some paints into this cup. I will start with Prussian phthalo, and I will do a straight pour. And next will be lime green, and next one is phthalo blue, and next one is 24 karat gold and manganese blue and white. Whoop, I almost threw my white. Whoop. And I will repeat this process, and I will do 2 cups, because this one plastic cup is 10 ounces and I need a little more than 10 ounces of paint. And white, and I will add some Prussian phthalo again. Okay, so let's do the first one. My lime green went totally weird. And I will add just one more layer with colors, and I will add white next to lime green. I will put all the colors that I'm using into the description box, so you can check them there. Okay, so let's do We'll start in this blue again. Catch the drip. Okay, and I will don't know if I want to pour white around even for flow extender. Let's do some white around. Oop. Had something in there. And I will just do that. And stretch this a little bit. Up. And I will do some reds just through this part maybe. A little loopy-loos, and I will torch it a little bit. Great. I have to will torch real quick for air bubbles. And do a baby spin. Maybe I wouldn't even need the second cup. Because I have quite a lot of paint on there. I'm just thinking to rag this part a little bit more, just to match it with this one. Okay, now I'm done, I think. Okay, so here is a close-up. Look at those lines and those green lines into the dark blue, and these manganese edges. I did drag this part a little too much, but don't mind. This part is definitely my favorite one. And those blue lines over the gold, it's just gorgeous. So congrats again to our champion Primoz Roglic. I hope that, even though that maybe some of you will be tired of that, I hope that I will be able to pour another pour for our athletes on Olympic Games in Tokyo 2021. This is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye!